Welcome to my video. This video is all about DEWALT Pancake air compressor. We think the DEWALT Pancake air compressor, DWFP55126, is a fantastic product, and the reason that we have not given this 5 out of 5 is because we believe that we'll give you some features that may be overkill for most people that are just looking for a standard air compressor. However, if you're looking for something that will give you really good power and all of the features that you need, then we highly recommend checking this out, and we think you will be very impressed with what you get here. In terms of pricing and ratings that this has received around the web, you should have no problems at all buying this, as it is very popular. In fact, if you choose to go through to Amazon.com to check out the page, you will be able to see the most people have given this a very good rating, and you can also see the pictures of this product lend itself to a job site. This may well be overkill if you are just looking to pump up some tires on your car. If that is the case, then we recommend going for the Ryobi solution that we have reviewed on the site. The heavy-duty 6.0 gallon, 165 Max PSI, the compressor is ideal for supporting a variety of pneumatic and air tool applications. The oil-free pump delivers 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI for long tool runtime and quick recovery. The included cord wrap provides convenience and easy storage on the job site or in the garage. This fits to your. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. 165 Max PSI 6.0 gallon tank, 22.7 liters, and 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 PSI pump enable long tool runtime with quick recovery. For the portable air compressor. High-efficiency motor of the electric air compressor is made for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application. 14 GA or larger, 50 feet, 15.2 meters, or less. 75.5 dB noise level of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for a quiet work environment. High flow regulator and couplers of DEWALT portable air compressor are designed to maximize air tool performance. Long life oil-free pump for maintenance-free operation. The console cover protects controls and is removable to allow easy repair. Outlet tube rerouted to avoid being catch point. Please share if you enjoyed this content, subscribe to our channel, visit our blog for more, and click link below for more information. Thank you for watching.